Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shay and I am going to be doing a review on this white peach palette from Too Faced. I did get this brand new off of an app called Let Go. I will link it in the description of the website. And like I said, I did get it brand new, but my dog, he got into it and kind of dropped it and played with it. I'm going to do a review, and the colors I'm going to be doing is Peach Suede, Peach Sorbert, Peaches and Cream, Glistening Peach, and Ice Peach. So I will do swatches of those. And so let's see. Okay, so here are the swatches. It does smell like peaches. You can't really see this. Here you go. Here are the swatches. Looks like this. I personally like these colors. It kind of matches with the outfit I'm wearing. So I will be doing that, and the lip color I'll be using is going to be Tea Rose. It's an Elfie Lippy. It looks like this. And the mascara I'm going to be using is Too Faced Better Than Sex. I got the travel size. Let's see. There it goes. And I'm just going to be using some random brushes. I got a MAC brush. I got a brush from Walgreens. I got an Ulta brush and a Real Technique and an Ulta flat brush. I'm going to use Peach Suede for my crease. That in my crease. I also did my full face off camera, and everything that I used for my face I will link in the description. Hey, stop chewing on my shirt. So I'll leave that in the description below. So far, I really like the color. It's a very light, natural color. I like natural colors. Like these two dark colors right here kind of intimidate me, but I kind of have a plan of an eyeshadow look with these four colors right here. I think it would be very pretty. I don't know, I'll have to see. Maybe that will be an upcoming video soon. Because I do have a few videos in mind for this week. I'm also vlogging for this week. It will be my first time vlogging. So here's that color. I like it, so let's put it down on the bottom. I also have blue eyes, and this eyeshadow palette would work real nicely with people with blue eyes. Because it's oranges and pinkies. So, and that usually looks really good on those kind of eyes. Then I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and Peach Sorbert and just place that in the crease. Just in the crease. Goes back and forth. Don't know if it's doing anything really, but I mean, it's putting a little bit of a orange color to it. Like, I can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I thought I'd give it a go. And then I'm going to take the Glistening Peach color right here, this very pretty shimmery peach color. And I'm going to do the all over the lid. I don't have any Fix Plus and I don't have any water near me because I forgot to get some. But so far it's working it's working okay with a brush. I'm going to try my finger next. I need to invest in some Fix Plus or some setting spray. I might just get the Fix Plus. Also, I am not sponsored for the Let Go app. I just like using it. I'm also selling stuff on it. So when I get bored, I just go and I look around, and I just saw this. The person I bought it from was selling it for $25, and it does retail for $45 on the Sephora website or app. It works a lot better with my fingers, so I might have to use my other fingers, so let's use that. So I do like this. It is very, very pretty. A little glitter. This is what it looks like so far. And then going back to the bottom, because I did forget, taking this brush, go into Peach Sorbert and put that underneath the eye. Because what I was taught from watching YouTube is what you do on top, you do on the bottom. Okay. Now taking my MAC 213 SE brush, I'm going to go in with Peach Ice, and I am going to put that in the inner corner. There's a little subtle sparkle in the inner corner. And if you hear more background noise, that is my puppy Riley. You will be seeing a video of my pets. I have a cat and I have a dog. So you'll be seeing that video shortly. And then I'm going to take, I guess this brush, because, well, I can take the brush I try to use, Glistening Peach. Okay, this one has a bit of a fallout. The two, Glistening Peach and Peach Ice, they have a bit of a fallout. It's glitter. And I'm going to use Peaches and Cream for my brow bone. And it's a bit powdery. Okay, and now for the mascara. Like I said, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really like this mascara. I really want to try I think it's the Lash Paradise mascara. I forgot where it's from, but I want to try that. One of my co-workers from my old job used it, and she really liked it. She sent me a picture of before and after, and I loved the way it looked. It's just like this one, and I want to try that because this is a little pricey, but I do have the travel size. So this was, I think, $12, and the full size is $28. But it's a very good mascara. I do really like it. It makes it to where I don't have to wear falsies with every look because I am not really good with false lashes. And then for the other eye, And this is the finished look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this. I know I did. I really like this. I really want the first, not the very first, but the other small palette like this. I think it's called Just Peachy or Just Peach, something like that. I really want that. And here's the final look. I really do like this look. It's a very soft, natural pink look. And I really love this lip color. It's like a muted mauve-y, pinky purple color. And yeah, if you would please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which eyeshadow color you would like me to use from this palette. And if you would like to subscribe, please do so. I would really appreciate that. And I hope you come back and check out my channel. Bye!